It's so easy to receive money. Money flows to me effortlessly. I'm open to receiving money easily. I welcome money with open arms. It's so easy to receive money because I am a money magnet. I receive money every single day. Money comes to me from expected and unexpected sources. I receive financial blessings every single day. I am aligned with the energy of abundance. Money is flowing into my life so easily, so effortlessly. I'm grateful for all the money coming into my life. It's so easy to receive money. There is nothing I need to do to receive money. I'm open to receiving this money now. I trust and surrender to the universe. I am deserving of abundance. Effortlessly and easily. I'm grateful for how easy it is to manifest money. Money comes to me instantly in my reality. I attract money so quickly and easily. I'm so thankful for all the abundance in my life right now. And from this place of gratitude, I know more money is coming in. It's so easy to receive money because money is energy and I am energy.